Opposition bloc is growing with even each passing day as chorus for Mamata Banerjee as the leader of INDI bloc grows. A day after Sharad Pawar backed Didi as the leader of the opposition bloc, another senior leader and RJD chief, Lalu Prasad Yadav, has thrown his weight behind Mamata Banerjee, urging INDI to make her the leader despite Congress's disapproval. Lalu suggests that Mamata should take charge, leaving Rahul Gandhi's leadership hopes in question.
कांग्रेस उसकी आपत्ति जता रही है लालू जी।
कांग्रेस को जताने से नहीं होगा, ममता को दो।
मुख्यमंत्री नीतीश कुमार यात्रा पे जा रहे लालू जी।
अच्छा है, जा रहे हैं तो अब तो नैन सेकने जा रहे हैं।
न तो ममता जी को दे दिया जाए।
हाँ दे दे।
25 में बोल रहे सरकार फिर से बना रहे हैं लालू जी।
हाँ बनाएंगे हम लोग।
And buoyed by Lalu's backing, TMC leaders have sent a message to the Congress party. TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee says Congress party should let go of their ego and let Mamata lead the INDI bloc. He also says Congress couldn't defeat BJP, that's why BJP's imprint is growing, and Congress, which calls itself a national party, has now presence only in a few states. Another TMC neta said Mamata has support of 5 INDI bloc parties, including backing of 91 Lok Sabha and 34 Rajya Sabha MPs. Listen in.
तो अब अभी सब पार्टनर ने जो इंडियन अलायंस को जो है उन्होंने बोल रहा है, ये अच्छा बात है। कांग्रेस को समझना चाहिए। अभी कांग्रेस नहीं समझेंगे तो देश में बीजेपी को हटाना नहीं सकेंगे। अभी आप उनको पकड़ के अभी आप नहीं लीडरशिप नहीं छोड़ेंगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा।
ईगो
ऐसा ही है, ईगो छोड़ना होगा।
सर कांग्रेस की तरफ से कहा जा रहा है कि नेशनल पार्टी हम है।
नेशनल पार्टी ऐसा है तो कोई रीजन में अटक गया ना, 3-4 रीजन से छोड़ के तो नेशनल पार्टी कुछ करने नहीं सकता है। ये तो देश का दुख का बात है, ये तो देश का दुख का बात है। कांग्रेस कुछ नहीं करना सकता, इसलिए तो बीजेपी है।
Yes, everybody wants a competent leader who can lead with good performance. Competence is shown by leading. That doesn't mean that you tell that the other guy is not capable. The question is that, is Mamata Banerjee capable? Yes. The voices from across the country, from various leaders, from various parties coming and saying, yes, she should lead. And that is because she has performed.
Will there be a time when this is officially discussed within the India?
I'm sure it's going to be.
So you heard those reactions coming in from the parties who are part of the INDI bloc, all of them now backing Mamata Banerjee. In fact, some parties also asking the Congress party to let go of the ego. Remember how one Congress leader, senior Congress leader, laughed and mocked Mamata Banerjee and said it was a joke, that somebody was suggesting Mamata Banerjee should now lead the INDI bloc. Well, more and more leaders, senior leaders of the INDI are backing Mamata Banerjee, including Sharad Pawar and Lalu Prasad Yadav. Both believe that Mamata Banerjee is capable and she should lead the INDI bloc. Now, this not only means endorsement for Mamata Banerjee, but this means rejection for Rahul Gandhi. We have Riju Datta of the TMC joining us on the broadcast now. Mr. Riju Datta, this is how he responded to this entire debate of Mamata Banerjee heading the INDI bloc and how this is in fact a rejection of Rahul Gandhi's leadership.
Yes, it should be done on a consensus basis and there should be a meeting about it. But I also want to categorically point out some numbers. That the 5 parties that have come out in support of Mamata Banerjee to be made the leader of India Alliance are Samajwadi Party, NCP, the Sharad Pawar fraction, Shiv Sena, the UBT fraction, NGT, RJD and YSRCP. So if you take these 5 parties collectively with All India Trinamool Congress, then the total strength becomes 91 MPs in the Lok Sabha and 34 MPs in the Rajya Sabha. So that's a food for thought for Congress. With Mamata Banerjee's record from 2011 to 2024, defeating the BJP in a one-on-one contest every election, every time, I think it's high time for Congress, because our goal is the same, to defeat the BJP and, give independence to this country again. I think the Congress should let go of their ego. They should sit, there should be a consensus, there should be a meeting, but they should do what is right for the opposition collective bloc, which is the India bloc, and they should do right by the people of India that do not support or vote for BJP.
Now, in a bid to strengthen the opposition's resolve, Uddhav Sena calls for discussion to address growing concerns over the INDI bloc's leadership and unity.
कांग्रेस एक राष्ट्रीय पार्टी होने के नाते और कांग्रेस के पास पार्लियामेंट में ज्यादा सांसद चुनकर आए हैं, ये अगर सही है, फिर भी अगर देश में इंडिया ब्लॉक का फिर एक बार हमको ताकत खड़ी करनी है तो सबको एक साथ बैठकर इंडिया ब्लॉक के लीडरशिप के बारे में जो समय दे सके इंडिया ब्लॉक के काम को देश भर में, उस बारे में, नेतृत्व के बारे में चर्चा करने की हमारी सबकी इच्छा है.
Sabyasachi is with us on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, this infighting or this rift seems to be growing, but then there are some parties of the INDI that are trying to downplay all this, saying there should be a discussion, there should be a charcha. Nobody, in fact, is opposing this idea except for only some in the Congress.
Well, that's right. See, nobody is opposing the idea of Mamata Banerjee leading the India Alliance. See, several MPs from the Trinamool Congress, in fact, going up front and challenging the Congress party, stating that the change in leadership is very much required because we have all seen the past history of the Congress party, how they have failed to get the state of Haryana and Maharashtra. Now, same has been echoed by several other political parties like the Samajwadi Party, who in fact have attacked Rahul Gandhi, stating that enough opportunities have been given to Mr. Rahul Gandhi as well as the Congress party and nothing they have achieved. And like in 1989, a change in leadership is very much required. And so the left front also had said the same thing. But the Shiv Sena faction of Uddhav Thackeray, in fact, have stated, Mr. Sanjay Raut have stated that if there are any differences that can be sorted out, and after the winter session, in fact, the Member of Parliament, Mr. Sanjay Raut, has said that he would like to go to West Bengal and meet Mamata Banerjee. If there are any differences, he would like to sort it out. See, today, Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav also gave a clear-cut answer that Mamata Banerjee should be considered to lead the India Alliance, and Congress objection to this is absolutely meaningless because in the past they have not performed well, and the Trinamool Congress and Mamata Banerjee's track record in the state of West Bengal has been very much successful. She has been successful in keeping away the BJP from the state. So these are some of the crucial points why the opposition parties are extending their support to Mamata Banerjee and questioning the role of the Congress party and Mr. Rahul Gandhi.
All right, Sabyasachi, stay on with us. Now, let's also listen to how the BJP is responding. Of course, the BJP is taking a jibe at the growing divide within the INDI bloc, questioning its unity and leadership.
लालू प्रसाद यादव जी तो शुरू से मतलबी रहे, सोनिया गांधी के आंचल में पहले खेला रहा और अब लग रहा है तब दूसरे आंचल में जाएंगे. लेकिन कौन ममता बनर्जी है? वही ममता बनर्जी जो बंगाल को बांग्लादेश बना रही है. पहले वो रोहिंग्या मुसलमानों को चिन्हित करके बाहर करे, बांग्लादेशियों को बाहर करे. ममता बनर्जी का चेहरा मुस्लिम परस्त और देश विरोधी चेहरा.
And with that, we're slipping into a very short break. News and updates will continue. Stay on with us.